Let's imagine there was a rip over here, and if you take your time and you can get this on here nice and comfortable by cutting out with a template of your own, you're able to take the actual sticker, peel it off, allow it to hire for at least 24 hours, and then you're good to go. So what you're going to do is peel, match up the best you can. You're going to put this into the crease. You've got time to work with this. It will stretch and do a nice job. They're fast. And you're able to get this on there, not knowing that you now just fixed your car's interior like so. Look at that bad boy, how beautiful that is. That is unbelievable. Now all I gotta do is just come here with the razor blade, do a little cleanup of my own. And you'll never know that was a rip.